Ever pondered about the monumental task of writing an academic thesis? The meticulous research, the rigorous planning, the endless drafting and redrafting. It's enough to make even the most diligent scholar's head spin. But what if there was a tool that could lighten this load? Enter ChatGPT, a cutting-edge artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT, or Generative Pre-training Transformer, is a language prediction model. It's designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. But it's more than just a fancy word generator. ChatGPT is a tool that can assist in various aspects of thesis writing, making it an invaluable asset for researchers and students alike. Firstly, ChatGPT can help in generating research questions. It's capable of understanding the essence of a topic, then formulating relevant questions that can guide a research project. No more staring at a blank screen waiting for inspiration to strike. With ChatGPT, you have a brainstorming partner at your fingertips. Secondly, ChatGPT is excellent at creating outlines. By processing the key aspects of a topic, it can generate a structured overview, providing a clear roadmap for your thesis. This can save hours of planning and ensure a logical flow to your work. Thirdly, ChatGPT can suggest sources. By cross-referencing databases and online resources, it can recommend relevant literature for your research. This can expedite the literature review process and ensure that no pivotal piece of research gets overlooked. ChatGPT is also adept at summarizing and paraphrasing text. It can take complex academic papers and distill them into concise summaries, saving you from sifting through dense academic prose. It can also rephrase text to avoid plagiarism, ensuring that your work remains original. Lastly, ChatGPT can provide feedback on structure and arguments. It can review your thesis for coherence, point out weak arguments, and suggest improvements. This kind of instant feedback can be invaluable in refining your work and making it the best it can be. However, it's important to note that while ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's not a substitute for critical thinking and human input. It's a supplement to your skills and knowledge, not a replacement. Using it effectively requires an understanding of its limitations and a readiness to step in when necessary. So to recap, ChatGPT can assist in generating research questions, creating an outline, suggesting sources, summarizing or paraphrasing text, and providing feedback on structure and arguments. It's a versatile tool that can make the daunting task of thesis writing more manageable. But remember, it's a tool to aid your work, not do your work. After all, the brilliance of a thesis comes from the mind of the researcher, not the code of a machine. In conclusion, as we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, tools like ChatGPT offer exciting possibilities for academic research. They're not just changing the way we write, they're changing the way we think. But as we embrace these changes, it's crucial to remember the value of human insight and critical thinking. For it's these qualities that turn information into knowledge, and knowledge into wisdom.